welcome back to my channel. You're watching Rutuja Madke. So if you have seen my last videos and now this video, you can spot the difference. What's the difference between my last video and maybe this video? I'm not going to tell you. I think you have spot the difference and do tell me in the comment sections. Okay, na? So I've completed with my second internal of second year, and I completed it on 15th of May 2026, and it's been more than 20 days since I am not in my I'm not going to my college. I'm in my hometown since 20 days, and I enjoyed a lot this time. Honestly, I was not well for about 10 to 12 days, and in that my Viva was also there. My last Viva was of FMD. It was scheduled for 15th of May 2026, and I was not well at that time. Still, I somehow gave it, and then day after that, like 16th or yeah 16, I returned home, and I was very happy that I was returning home. But my health condition was not that much good. Like, I'm fine now, but that time I was not. So in this 15 days, 15 to 20 days, honestly I did not study anything, and this time I have no regrets. Like, जब भी आप घर पर आते हो and कि घर पर आने के बाद आपकी पढ़ाई नहीं होती, that too if it's like vacation time. Now this is summer vacation, तो आपकी पढ़ाई नहीं होती. But and somewhere down you have that regret कि मैंने books लाए थे but I have not studied anything, right? But this time I have no regret because I enjoyed a lot with my family, with my friends. I met my friends and visited one of my friends' house also, and we enjoyed a lot. I mean, this time I am really happy about it. I think my holidays are just worth it. I went with my family also on a family trip. It was very nice, and I have no regrets this time. Legit, I'm telling you, I have no regrets that I was not able to study. And see, like, first of all, I was not well, and then I did not wanted to study because since exam अब भी हो चुके थे तो किसका मन नहीं होता है स्टडी करने का. I come in that part जिनका मन नहीं करता पढ़ाई करने का when the exam is over. And after that I met my friends, and then family के साथ बाहर गई थी. That's it up till now. So the question comes, how was my second internal? It went, and that's what more important is. कैसी गई important नहीं है, बस चली गई. That's what important is, I think. And it's been a lot of days since my second internal is over. जब मैं वापस मेरे कॉलेज में जाऊंगी, that is maybe on I don't know of June. तब बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेंशन होने वाली है बिकॉज विद इन फ्यू डेज हमारी प्रीलिम्स रहेगी, और प्रीलिम्स की मेरी तैयारी हुई नहीं है. आई हैव नॉट स्टडीड इन हॉलीडेज, नथिंग. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन्स. आई विल हैव टू फेस दैट थिंग, बट दैट्स इट. आई थिंक समटाइम्स you have to you have to enjoy yourself, and it's more important that you take a break. ये ऐसे मैं बस बोल रही हूँ मुझे पता नहीं what I'm saying. Whatever is coming to my mind, I'm just uttering that. Okay na? So please don't judge me on that. What should I say next? So my life is not much interesting. I have nothing much to tell you about, but sorry, my friend's life is very interesting, very interesting. I will tell you that also in maybe upcoming videos. and I won't be able to take that friend's name, otherwise her privacy would be invaded, I think. But the ones who are very close to me would know which girl I'm talking about, whose life is very interesting. And the most important thing I wanted to tell you was that my university is scheduled for September 2026, which means we will be having a university examination in between the Ganpati festival. In between Ganpati festival, can you imagine this? Like, क्यों? We want to enjoy the Ganpati, but अब MUHS ने उसमें ही पेपर डाल दिया. We have no choice, and it's very 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 sad for us that Ganpati के बीच में ही पेपर आ गए यार. This time our batch was going to host Ganesh festival in our college, but since our university exam is scheduled in between the Ganesh festival, don't know if it's going to take place or not this time. I just hope that after our university examination, like, we would celebrate Ganesh festival in our college maybe. But I don't know what's going to happen. And what I wanted to tell was, like, I'm hoping that everyone would get nice marks since our paper are between universities. Bappa would help us to get nice marks, right? And that's it. I have nothing more to say. Take care. Bye bye. Bye. Thanks for watching.